What if I told you the most underrated exercise in the world is something you already know how to do? No gym, no sweat-dripping heroics, just walking. And that's exactly why people underestimate it, because walking feels too easy, too normal, too boring to matter. But here's the part no one tells you. Walking every day doesn't change your body loudly, it changes it quietly. Here's what actually happens. In the first few days, nothing dramatic. No soreness, no transformation montage. But inside, your system starts sinking. Your heart rate learns to rise and fall smoothly. Your blood vessels get better at delivering oxygen. Your joints move without friction instead of resistance. Your body starts remembering how it's supposed to function. Around week 1, something subtle kicks in. You feel less stiff, your energy crashes are softer, your mood doesn't swing as hard. Not because walking is magical, but because your nervous system finally gets a daily reset. By week 2, here's the surprise. Other habits get easier. You sit with less tension, you breathe deeper without thinking, you recover faster from stress. Walking doesn't just move your legs, it teaches your body that movement is normal again. Now, let's kill the biggest myth. Does walking burn fat fast? No, it won't torch calories like a HIIT workout. It won't sculpt abs in 2 weeks, but that's not its real power. Walking lowers friction in your life. It makes everything else work better. Better workouts, better sleep, better focus, better consistency. And consistency beats intensity every single time. Here's the part most people miss. Walking trains your heart without panicking it. No spikes, no survival mode, just steady demand. That's how endurance is built. That's how long-term health is protected. The biggest change, though, it's mental. Daily walking teaches you to show up without needing motivation. You don't negotiate with yourself. You don't hype yourself up. You just go. And that identity shift matters. People who walk daily don't think in extremes. They don't wait for perfect plans. They don't chase shortcuts. They build momentum quietly. So, should you walk every day? Absolutely. Start with 10 minutes, build to 20, then 30, not to impress anyone, but to normalize movement again. Because the most dangerous habits aren't the intense ones, they're the ones you never start because they don't feel exciting enough. If you're starting today, comment "walk" and let's see who actually keeps it simple.